Channel. So today I'm gonna make my dogs. We bought them some sweaters and I want you guys to see them and just suggest like how they look. And sorry if the light is like not good. It's because I'm at the nature light and I'm outside. So yeah, and there's 5 and we have 2 dogs, but they're both gonna wear it because they're both gonna share the clothes. So let's go see. And if the clothes doesn't fit another one, well, you know what? We're gonna give that one to the one that fits. So yeah. So guys, get ready. I'm gonna now. So the first dress. So the first dressing that we're gonna wear, that we're gonna put them on, is this one. It's a little sweater with pockets. So yep, that's gonna be the first one. So yeah. So let's get started. So she's gonna be doing the video because I'm gonna put this on. Get down to the yeah. So this way. I'm putting it on. Don't bite me, you little girl. And that's how she looks like. It's supposed to be on like her, but she doesn't want me. So yeah, that's how she looks. I think she likes it. So yeah, so that's how she looks, and now we're gonna do it to another one. How about this? Come baby, come baby, come baby. Oh, she can do it to me. Okay, so now let's put it onto her. You scared? You scared, baby? You scared? You scared? You scared? You scared? And this is how she looks, so. It barely fits her though. So yeah, that's how she looks. So we can give it on to her. The next one, this one is for Christmas, but I really like it. And it's like a little dress, and they're both girls, guys. But it doesn't matter how it looks, just that they have clothes. So yeah, so I'm gonna first try it on the white one that I showed you guys here. So let's get started. You're going to put it to YouTube? Duh. Oh my goodness. We talk in Spanish and English. Guys, this barely fits her, so I think it's not gonna fit another one. So you guys can see she's a little Santa Claus girl. She looks so yeah. Cute. So now I'm just waiting, and I'm gonna be talking about the dresses that I put, the sweaters and dresses that I put on to them, and they're gonna put it on. Arlet, can you please? Arlet, can you please put the dress on Caramelo? You guys, quítaselo, and Kimberly's gonna put it on, okay? No. Put it right there. I'm gonna be talking with them, okay? Oh my God. That's what's gonna happen, okay? So, sorry for this. It's just cause I can. They don't know. So yeah, and the first sweater that I put them, I think it was for a boy. But it's a great sweater. It's a great sweater. It has pockets. It has everything. And another sweater. It's a dress. It's for Santa Claus, and it's really pretty for them to wear. So yeah, I think it doesn't fit another one brown one because it's like she's too big. So yeah, and so they're trying to put it on because they can't do it. So that dress is red and white. It's a Santa Claus dress. It did fit her. This is how she looks like. Doesn't she look pretty? So yeah, that's her wearing the dress. Now they're gonna wear this shirt. It's a green shirt. This is for like parties, and this is one is first gonna try. So let's give it a try. And I'm gonna put this one over here because this one they already wear. So And I decided to do it outside because inside my house there's a lot of noise, and so yeah. So and the dogs sleep outside, so yeah. And that it's a shell. It's green with white, blue on the top. It's like those shirts that boys use. Just that it's gonna be big for them, I guess.
The foot tall.
She's crazy. And yeah. So first, she's gonna put it on to her, and they're gonna see how it looks like. So it's big technically that I can see, and this is how she looks like. They're really silly, and yeah, that's how she looks like. It's really big for her. So yeah, and that's a green and white with blue strip on the top. And that one is like to go to parties. Sometimes I do some parties in my house. So yeah, they'll wear that maybe. And I have some sweaters, a really good sweater for when it's winter. It's really good. It's really cozy, and they look really pretty on it. So yeah, and I wanted to do this video first with you guys because I freaking love you guys, and yeah, so you guys are gonna be the first ones to see their dressings on. So yeah, now they're putting it on to the another one. She's gonna be super pretty like her mama. Yeah, and for you guys' information, the white one, she is the mom of the brown one. It doesn't look like, because like the brown one is bigger than the white one, but that's cute. So yeah. And this sweater is super pretty. It has, this one is for girls, I'm sure, and it had a belt, but my mom has it. Cause she washed these things. The sweater, she washed the sweaters, and she maybe took it off. So yeah, so we already put the sweater to the white one that we're gonna show you guys. But first, I'm gonna show you the shirt that we put to the brown one, because that one was first. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you first the brown one. Okay, so she's wearing, it took a long time, sorry guys. So this is how she looks now. Seriously, she's not done. I think I've been faster than that, but it's I have to be with you guys. So yeah. So now she's done. This is how she looks like. She's really pretty. A really pretty shirt. Now we're gonna go with the browns. This is a black sweater for Roman, and this is how she looks like. Put her on the floor, please. And you see right here, she's supposed to have a belt, but she doesn't. She looks really pretty, and maybe she has to get a little bit fatter, and it will fit her on the size. So yeah, that's a black sweater, and it's fuzzy inside. It's really pretty. It's for a girl, but most of the one that I'm showing you guys are for like boys. So I think that one is the only one that's girls. But you know what? Like, it's at least they got some sweaters for winter, and I don't have to put them on because they have a ton. Well, just 4 or 5, but at least they have something, guys. That's what I think. So now they're gonna put another one to her, and they're gonna put the black one to her daughter. They're on the work. Okay, so let's see now. She's getting ready. Okay, so this is how she looks with black sweater that I told you guys. She looks really pretty. I'm sure you guys saw it. If you guys didn't, sorry. So now this is a white one. It's sitting for like rain, and this is how she looks like. She looks really pretty. I think that one is like the prettiest one that she looked on. Now they're gonna put that one to the another one. So let's do the scene, and That's a gray for rain, I'm sure, sweater with pockets, and it's really pretty. I don't even think it's gonna fit another one, but we're trying to. Does it?
It's better.
But cause like
Mata, mi mamá dijo.
white. Sorry guys.
Pero ahorita se van a meter.
And this is how she looks like. It doesn't fit her, but I guess that's gonna be for her. And like I said in the thing, like,
ya casi
if it doesn't fit her, the other one is gonna keep it, the one that fits it. So yeah, that's how she looks like. And thank you guys for watching what sweaters for them. So I hope you guys like and subscribe, that red button down below, and hit that notification bell for our future videos. So yes, thank you. Bye.